This is probably the hardest question in A-level biology. So the question we're looking at today is this particular one that's looking at a cross-section through a skeletal muscle tissue. It contains both fast twitch and slow twitch muscle fibers, and the first set of the question talks about trying to figure out why the evidence provided shows that it is a slow twitch fiber. The question we're going to be looking at is here. Use evidence from the diagram to describe the distribution of mitochondria inside the slow muscle fibers and explain the importance of this distribution. So there's 3 marks. Let's have a look at the mark scheme together and talk about why and how you'd get to these answers. So the first one is describe the distribution. So if we look here at muscle fiber S, you can see that it has been distributed towards the outer side or the edge of that particular muscle cell, which is where the first mark has gone. So remember, when they say describe, you need to be talking about what's actually happening or what's actually being drawn or what's actually been said. The second point then talks about explain the importance of this distribution. So the first mark is already gone for describing. So you've got 2 more marks that is related to explaining the importance of this distribution. So let's talk about that. It's been distributed to the edge to create a short diffusion distance or a short pathway for oxygen to be able to transfer. And that is what they've written here in the second part of the mark scheme. Short diffusion distance and allows rapid diffusion for the oxygen. And the final mark is to say why this is actually important. Why is it important for oxygen to have a short diffusion pathway in this particular muscle cell? And that's because oxygen is going to be used by mitochondria to make ATP energy, and that is why it is important. Check out part 3 where we'll go through tips and tricks, and if you enjoyed this video, give us a like and a follow.